Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi. In this video, I'm going to show how I created this eye look. So first, I applied Forever 52 concealer as an eye primer, and now I'm blending it with brush, or you can blend it with beauty blender as your wish. After that, now I am taking light brown shade as transition shade, applying all over my eyelid, focusing on outer corner to inner corner. Now I'm taking lighter shimmer shade and applying with my finger, then applying darker shade liner from my transition shade closer to my lash line with angular brush. Starting from middle to outer corner, then in last coming to inner corner. After that, applying same transition shade on my lower lash with small blending brush. Now coming to mascara, I am using Maybelline waterproof mascara. So this is the end result with mascara. I really hope you like how it turns out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.